Hello, and this is my explanation for my project video. Uh, I can quickly run through the app. So we got a small splash screen here with the logo, and then we got our starter Lutémon. This is only like level 1 and 0 XP right now. So let's go ahead and create a new Lutémon. Here we got a drop down menu to select from the Lutémon's species, and then we can name it however we want. And we created a new Lutémon. If I scroll down, here's our new Lutémon, and we can battle with it. So whenever I create a new Lutémon from the menu you just saw, it also creates a opponent Lutémon in the background, so it randomly chooses from those opponents. So if I attack, we get a small toast, and then the opponent attacks us, and we both lose some HP. And this goes until one of us dies, basically. Yep. There's also a give up button, so if you lose, the opponent gains experience points, and if you give up, then nothing happens, basically. So here, let's start from attack.java. So this is basically constructors, getters, and setters. And there's a calculate damage function which calculates the damage based on this equation, basically. So there is some randomness to it, and if we go into Lutémon, there's a lot more randomness, so there's a chance the attack could be missed. And also there is a chance that attack could be like a critical miss, so the attack basically applies to the attacker then instead of the target. So like no single attack has the same value, basically. Apart from that, this is like standard stuff. Is li commands, level up, gain XP. If you level up, you get also like more maximum HP, and you also have a higher attack damage, basically. And we got the species which implements their own types. So Celestine is an air type Lutémon, so it implements the air types and then overrides the methods here. And it's all same for all of these. And I got a battle system thingy here. So which basically manages the battle with battle arena activity. So the constructors, getters, and setters again. So when the CPU turn happens, it creates a random attack from one of 4 options. And also it checks the battle is over or not. This is the attack deciding function, basically. Yep, we also have a Lutémon manager. This is also pretty simple. It creates a new Lutémon from the based on some random species for this, so that like the opponent is randomly distributed basically, and like this is all it does. Battle arena activity is the like manages all of these. My computer is a bit slow, sorry. So we got the attack buttons, training buttons, all of these basically, and then to attack here, these are all some debug print statements, but like we set the HP points here on the screen, and then it basically is a turn point system. When we click on this, it first plays our move, then the CPU move, then our move again. Like we can click and then the same thing happens until either we or the CPU dies basically. You can check the code. CPU gains 25 XP, we gain 25 XP on the top here. The splash activity is basically just an image. Is it this one? Yeah, this just handles the recycler view, and then this one makes the player basically gets to create the thing. So this is this dialog menu here. We can create the Lutémons and name its ID, level, everything. And that's pretty much it. I can show you the XML files a little bit. This is the main activity. This is the battle arena. If it loads, yeah, so that's all. Thank you for listening to me. Goodbye.